Where are we headed?
To the river.
To the river. What are we gonna try to catch?
Catfish and
Striper. We might try. I don't know. I don't think it's quite warm enough for the stripers yet. I don't think they're on yet. But catfish, still kind of early. But we're mainly going out to see how the boat does. I've been tinkering with a little bit this winter, trying to get the telltale to flow right. And we're just gonna go out and give her a test and maybe wet a line. Alright, so the boat's doing good. The telltale's peeing up at speed, but at idle it's still a little maybe. But we got some lines out, and with the bait or the fish finder, we see a pocket out here, and it looked like it was holding some fish. We don't know what it was, but we're gonna try to get in that pocket, see if we can't get on one, huh? Yeah. Not sure you do, buddy. Yeah, because you've got a lead weight on there. Oh, you do got a fish.
Yes! A fish.
Nice. Don't give it to me. What are you doing? That's your fish. That's a drum. Dayton.
I'm trying to get it with.
Caught you a drum.
Let's fish over the day.
Skunks out of the boat. Alright, let it go. Now wash your hands off. You get grimy paws. Those things are slimy. He thought this is year 3 or 4 of us fishing. He thought I was gonna take that fish off.
I think that was the same fish you caught.
It might have been.
Yeah, it might have been.
Alright, let's see if we can get another one. So how you cheating?
I don't know. I'm not cheating.
There ain't no way you caught a fish before me.
I was dead.
The confidence in this. What's this, spot 3?
Yeah, it's spot 3.
So we had spot 3. The last spot we was in was pretty shallow. It had a lot of rock, but it's hard to tell if there's any fish down there. So we set out anchor.
And over there, that fish ball got stuck, and both of the anchors got snagged.
We got 3 snags, both anchors and 1 fish bowl, but got them all out unscathed. So we was just trolling back and forth right out here, and we can see a couple markers out there in the channel. So we're gonna cast out there and let this bait do its thing, and hopefully get us on a hog.
Yeah.
Mama says she wants fish for dinner, so it'd be nice to bring her home one.
Yeah.
Who's winning?
Me.
What?
I'm winning.
Whatever, dude. Probably them drum out there messing with
What?
it's probably the drum messing with the bait. Oh, that's a pretty good one there. An algae fish.
Yeah. Big one.
We're ready to go try some strapper. Probably ain't gonna have no luck there either. gonna run us into? You left the motor on, didn't you?
Oh, no, it isn't. No, it's off. It's off.
Got a little largemouth up here in the river. That makes 2 today. Oh, yeah. Oh, I almost had one. Huh? I didn't set the hook like a dummy.
Actually, I see a school. Right.
Uh-oh.
What?
We ain't got no power.
That's bad. Oh!
Push off. Real hard. Push off that. There you go. Alright, so this water is crystal clear, but I can't see in front of me, so we'll probably bump a couple rocks. Look at that. So, that's probably the end of this fishing trip, huh? Gotta go say hi to Oliver. It's a beautiful place back here. The water's crystal clear right back in there, but they're not generating, but when they are. So I didn't charge this lithium-ion battery at all. And it's been sitting since last summer, and I didn't charge it before I made it sit, so we figured we'd go out on a whim. And we was probably trolling for a good 45 minutes to an hour. We're up here fighting this wind that we're in. And it finally just kicked the bucket. I got back in there and I couldn't fight my way out because my trolling motor wasn't working. So I think that's going to be it to today's fishing. But stay tuned, the fishing will get better. This is early in the year right now. Water's super cold. We'll get after them.